Hi, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy. We're going to do our July unboxing of the Klub Kinsley Level 3. I did want to make a note. I know that sometimes people have been getting upset. They watch this and they want to go ahead and go on and order the products. They used to be a lot better at getting them up. I'm just an affiliate seller for them. Last time it took about to the 15th or the 16th for them to actually put up the products that are going to be shown in this video. So you might want to check back. I do try to update, and if you do leave a note in the comments, there's something you're interested in, I check daily and I'll let you know when it's available. So as with all of their items, they do come packed in these really festive mailers. This month we have a lime green mailer. It always comes with, your packing slip and then a gift box, which this one has display stickers on. I haven't seen that before, but we have a gift box, and inside we have a Kinsley Armelle bag, and then we have our items for the month. So this month we have, it's one bracelet, a very, very pretty pink and gray bracelet. And if you watched last week's video, it will actually pair, or last month's video. This was last month's shipment. It contained this pink and gray bracelet, this bracelet, which you can do a double loop of. And this is this month's bracelet, so it's really nice. You could actually build a whole bunch just from the pieces that they've already sold. Here's a very nice tassel bracelet, and that would pair really nicely with the third piece from last month's collection, which is the tassel earring. So you look, the same kind of tassel is on here, so that looks really nice together. And then the third piece we are getting this time is a very pretty pink bracelet. So this one isn't quite as muted as the other colors are, but it makes a really nice collection. So if you do decide to go ahead and start purchasing pieces, notice that they do have a tendency to build on each other. Not necessarily every month does that, but there is a lot of connectivity through all their pieces. So be sure to like us, and if you would, please use my affiliate link or my code to help me get credit for my sales. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like us below. Follow me on Instagram and on my blog using the links below. Shop bit.ly/Kinsley Armelle for my affiliate link for the Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And don't forget to use code C515 for 15% off. Thanks and happy shopping.